YouTube is making it so easy for small creators' channels to flourish, and this is how, okay? But before we get into this, y'all already know what I'm about to say. Grab your journal, grab your pen, and grab your wine. Whatever it is you need to grab it, girl. I'm about to drop some gems in this video, and you do not want to miss it. Hey my love, welcome back to my channel, Faithwalks. Before we start this video, if you are new to my channel, first of all, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Faith Walker and I create content based on transparency, authenticity, and relatability. I highly promote personal growth, spiritual journeys, faith walks, okay? Because like I always say, this journey is a walk and it is definitely not for the weak. But without further ado, let's hop straight into this video. The million-dollar question, how can I grow my channel on YouTube? So the first thing that we're gonna talk about is YouTube homepage. When I found out this completely changed the game for me when I'm creating my content or just trying to grow my platform in general. YouTube is making it so easy for small creators. It's creating content based on what people want to see. They're creating content on what's the most popular searched or the most popular clicked. So with AI-powered tools, YouTube is promoting what's mostly discussed in people's videos. So say for example, this video right here is going to get to people that want to know, how can I grow my YouTube channel? How can I gain a bigger platform on YouTube? Just because this is what I'm discussing in this video. So AI is going to pick up on the words that I'm saying in this video, also with the help of making sure that you're putting the proper tags in your settings every time you upload a video. What I do, which I'm going to show y'all right here, what I do every time I upload a video, I go to my YouTube studio, click on your video. When you click on your video, scroll down to where it says tags. And in that tags column, you want to make sure whatever the important topic is that you're discussing in that video, whatever your video is about, A, it needs to relate to your title, and B, it needs to relate with what you will be discussing in the video. So say for example, for this video, I am definitely going to put in my tag, how to grow on YouTube or how to gain fast subscribers on YouTube. Just some scenarios, or even if you don't know what to say, you guys, I have been using ChatGPT. ChatGPT helps me for when I don't know, okay, what tags should I use on this video? Or what tags is the most popular on YouTube that I can put in my tags column so that I can make sure that this video is getting to the proper target audience that I meant for this video to get to. Also, make sure you're doing your research. Make sure you're going to whoever you watch the most, whatever channel you support the most, go to their page and actually study how they upload their content and the type of content that they discuss and the video length, the quality. Do your research on the titles, do your research on the edits, how do they edit their video. Like for example, when you first clicked on this video, I didn't go straight into my intro. I did a little snippet of the video which lets you know what this video will be about and gives you that vibe to see if this is the type of video that you want to watch, and then we go into the intro and then we go into the rest of the video. That is what a lot of content creators are doing. That's just a mere example. With everything that you researched, make sure that you're comparing to how it will fit and will relate to the type of content that you create. Also, you guys, a major thing, and this, y'all, this helps me out. Study your homepage. When you scroll on your homepage on YouTube, everything that you have on your homepage is based on the type of content that you watch. So if you are a small creator or you're trying to start YouTube, but you just don't know where to start because you don't know, okay, what am I going to talk about? How am I going to start with your homepage? Every single thing that you're into and that you like is on your homepage. And not only that, if it's on your homepage, YouTube is letting you know that this topic is the most trending and most popular topic that so many people are researching and so many content creators are making videos on based on what consumers want to see. So for all of the content creators, because I know me personally, I was trying to figure out, okay, what is going to be my niche? Like, I have so many different things that I like to do, but I don't know how it's going to all fit under one umbrella. Your homepage is your niche. Your homepage is the trending topics that you need to be talking about. Not just saying just hop on the bandwagon of what other people are doing, but 9 times out of 10, if it's on your homepage, it's related to the type of person that you are. I like to specify personalization with everything that you do, even when it comes to creating content. Because if not, you're going to be copying off of someone else's blueprint and trying to make it fit you, and you're going to experience burnout real fast, real soon, because it's not your passion. You're going off of somebody else's blueprint instead of creating your own, or letting that someone else's blueprint inspire you and using their methods to improve your methods, if y'all get what I'm saying. Which leads me straight into the next thing that I want to talk about. This is how you gain fast traction through personalization, which is key, and building a thread, aka building your portfolio. Y'all, when I first started this channel, first of all, I started this channel about a year ago, and it's just now, literally the beginning of December, taking off. Y'all, I literally just got to 1,000 subscribers in the beginning of December. January 1st is where I started consistently uploading and gained 1,000 subscribers literally overnight, you guys. So I'm telling you, take these methods and make them fit you any way that you can. So through personalization, y'all already know, we talked about, if you don't know, first of all, if you are wanting to start a YouTube channel, but you just don't know where to begin, you need to sit with yourself and you need to figure out, what is it that you want to bring to this platform that has millions, billions of people on this platform? How can you differ? How can you be set apart from the millions and billions of other people, of other creators on this platform? Make whatever niche or whatever topic or whatever lane fit who you are. So for me, I like to create videos based on personal development, spiritual journey, spiritual growth, motivational videos. Those are things that resonate to the type of person that I am. When I first started this channel, I used to do like the vlogs and stuff like that. But to be honest, y'all, if you are new to YouTube, if you are a small content creator, those videos will not really get any traction. You know why? Because these people do not know you. So they don't care about what you're doing throughout your day unless you already have the top quality camera and top quality lighting, and you already know how to edit, or you have resources to get those top quality edits in your video. People are not going to sit and watch your video for 30 minutes of you doing whatever it is you do throughout your day. No, people want to know, how can they succeed? How can they start a business? People want you to feed them knowledge. So the best way to come into YouTube in 2025 is to make sure that your content is feeding knowledge to your consumers and whatever target audience that your video, that your content promotes, okay? Make it personal, and don't be afraid, like I said, to take inspiration from fellow content creators who have already done the work and that are actually putting out their experiences through research and through trial and error. They're showing you their blueprint and how they build a successful platform. Follow the strategy, make sure that the strategy fits the type of content that you create, and also work daily to improve your methods, whether that be editing. If you make videos based on conversational, practice speaking more clearly and looking at the camera. Because I know for me, I have a huge issue with that. When I talk, I look off instead of looking directly at y'all to make sure that we're locked in. Just little things to improve the way you represent your brand. Y'all, you are your brand, okay? This YouTube, this is your platform to express yourself however you want to, okay? And to get in building your portfolio, when I first started this YouTube channel, I started off by posting shorts because at the time, short form content was popular. And I only knew that because I did my research. So I'm like, okay, I have this YouTube channel that I need to do something with. So through shorts, I gained viewers and subscribers fast through literally just thinking of anything that I wanted to talk about, but making sure in the beginning of the video and in that title, I use this stop and attract method. I don't know if y'all remember, but in 2024, content creators, it was a trendy thing where content creators in every video, when content creators were first starting to use shorts in short form, they would always grab in their viewers by saying, if you are reading this video is for you, or stop, you need to watch this video right now because it will change, because what I'm about to say is about to change your life. I started doing that and talking about anything that would just come to my mind. And that is how I gained easy viewers and supporters on my channel. But like I said, I personalized it and made those methods that I already seen were working, I made it fit me. But with that being said, you guys, we're in a different time, and as y'all know, there's always a new trend. There's always something new that, you know, content creators are doing that consumers now on to the next thing. So now short form content is not really as popular as it used to be. Although you can still gain traction through shorts. But if shorts are the only thing that your content or that your YouTube has, it's going to be a little bit harder for you to gain the massive support that you want your channel to have. Not only that, if you don't already know, to get monetized on YouTube through shorts, you have to have, if I'm not mistaken, 3 million watch time views in order to get monetized through shorts. And with long form content, you only have to have 3,000 watch hour views. So it's easier through long form, even though short form, it is obtainable, but it would take literally everyday consistency, dedication, and constant content research to make sure that you are on the next big thing each and every time, and you're making it fit for you and the type of content that you create. Because what you want to do is, like I did, even with me starting off by uploading shorts, I started also creating long form content. So when people went to my page, they can see, oh, okay, she already has videos uploaded. She already has a portfolio, and this lets your viewers know and your potential subscribers, your potential supporters know, okay, this is the type of content that she actually creates. You want to show up consistent with your supporters in each and every video. Y'all know this is what you see in every video. This energy I give is what you will get in every single video, because I create content based off of the things that I want to know more about, and B, it's just who I am. You want to make sure that you have, when people click on your channel from your shorts, they won't be sent away because you don't have anything on there. No, you want to make sure that as soon as you grab people's attention, you want to keep their attention. So you want to make sure that you're consistent with your uploads, you're consistent with the content, so you can be consistent with your supporters. And that is how you gain fast traction, fast supporters on your platforms. Personalization, 1, building a portfolio, and being consistent with that portfolio. Like I said, you are your brand, okay? Be your best brand ambassador. Market yourself to the fullest, so whoever comes to your platform, whoever comes to your channel will know the type of content and the type of person that you are, and they will be able to make that decision based on the type of person that they are. Your target audience is the type of people that you want to support your channel. Make a mission statement and provide that mission statement in every single video. Show up as that mission statement in every single video. Y'all already know, in every video, I represent transparency, authenticity, and relatability. That is in every single video, whether I remember to say it or not, that is in every single video, because this channel is dedicated to growing in your faith walk, growing as a woman of God, growing as a young woman, growing as an individual. Personal development and spiritual journey is what is my niche for my YouTube platform. So with that being said, make sure y'all are following the strategy, improving your methods, personalization, making sure that your content relates to the type of person that y'all are. Trust me, do not come on this YouTube platform pretending to be someone that you're not, because people will notice that, okay? So however you represent yourself in everyday life is how you need to show up authentically yourself every single video, every single time. And I'm telling you, your target audience will naturally draw towards you because you are sending out those signals to individuals who are like-minded. So they pick up on you as soon as they click on your video. And that is how you gain fast traction, okay? I'm telling y'all, 2025 is the year that whoever wants to become a content creator, you need to do it now, okay? And if you're watching this video, this is your sign. Pick up that notebook, get to writing down ideas, pick up your camera and execute the plan, okay? Create the mission statement and follow through with it. There's enough space on YouTube for everyone. These companies are literally making billions off of consumers just sitting for long periods of time on these platforms, y'all. So why not take advantage of the resources that you already have been provided, okay? Y'all, that is it for this video. I really hope these steps were helpful to whoever is a small content creator and building their platform like me, or whoever hasn't even started but they want to start. I pray these words are motivation, that you will pick up your camera as soon as you finish with this video and get to starting your journey with being a content creator and building your platform and building your brand into the successful woman or man that you desire to be. Make sure, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. What you waiting on? But also leave a thumbs up on this video. If you would also like to support my social media platforms, they are also listed down in the description box below. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video, and hopefully I'll see y'all on my homepage, okay? Bye, see y'all later.